Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Jiushark JF13K Diamond Mini, a cooler that promises to shake up the market with its unique design and performance.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Alright folks, let's talk about the Jiushark JF13K Diamond Mini.
Now, this cooler might not be on everyone's radar, but it's certainly turning heads with its distinctive top-down cooling design and compact form factor.
But does it deliver where it counts? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about compatibility.
The JF13K Diamond Mini boasts support for tall RAM and bulky NVMe heatsinks, which is a definite plus for those with high-performance setups. However, its limited compatibility with smaller form factor cases might be a deal-breaker for some.
Now, let's talk about the fans. The Mini comes equipped with two 100mm fans that provide decent airflow, but here's the kicker.
They run louder than expected, even at lower speeds. This could be a downside for users looking for a quieter cooling solution. Installation-wise, the JF13K Diamond Mini gets a thumbs up.
It's a breeze to install, thanks to its straightforward design and included mounting accessories. Plus, the included thermal paste ensures optimal heat transfer for maximum cooling efficiency.
So, where does that leave us? The Jiushark JF13K Diamond Mini certainly has its upsides, like its support for tall components and easy installation. However, its noisy fans and limited compatibility may leave some users wanting more.
Ultimately, it's a mixed bag, a step forward in some areas, but a step back in others. And there you have it, folks, our take on the Jiushark JF13K Diamond Mini. Remember, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making any purchase decision. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy shopping!